What is up guys? Welcome to my channel. But first, subscribe ka muna. Isang pindot lang naman dyan. Salamat. So again, welcome to my channel, Innovation Work. Today we will be making a double-sized bed inspired by a famous woodworker sa YouTube named Matthias Wandel. Well, of course, with a little twist, lagyan natin ng headboard and footboard. So pag-usapan natin ng materials which will be needed to build this project. So in order for you to have a clear projection sa measurements needed, it's better to make a draft. First, syempre through drawing or by using 3D softwares that can replicate your actual outcome. Guys, the type of wood we will be using is Russian pine wood. We will be cutting this wood to the dimensions needed as seen in your screen. Now that we have all our wood set to dimensions, we make a checklist to assess the progress of our innovation. So kailangan din natin gumamit ng wood glue to attach all the parts of the footboard and headboard's legs. We will be using nails as our dowels instead of wood since it's a whole lot more malleable. Slight errors on alignment won't affect the dowels kasi flexible siya. Before anything else, I have a small request. Please support my channel by pressing that red button, subscribe, and slam that notification bell. Don't forget to like and leave a comment. You could give me a thumbs down would serve as a push for me to make my innovation work achieve a better level. Thank you. Once we are done assembling our head and footboard, ilagay na natin yung foam and fabric. So we will be using a 1.5 to 2 inches na foam dito sa project na to. In cutting your pattern, we could actually use a saw to make a clean cut. Be precise on your measurements. This would determine the look of your headboard. To hold this, we need to drill using an 8 mm bit to lessen the burden of fitting the thread or yarn through the drilled holes. Now we will place the fabric on top and just fit this and make creases with the pattern on the foam. And the buttons will now hold your foam and fabric in place once it is pulled from the back and stapled in place. For the 2 by 6 feet by 81 inches of railings, we attached our two pieces of 1 by 1 foot by 75 inches of wood with wood glue and 3 inches black screws to hold the slots to be attached with our nail dowels. As seen in this video, we used nails to attach the slats to be held in place when the bed is assembled, and added the slotting area for a slot in the middle of the rail to add support and hold the two rails together when assembled. Once again, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing and smashing that notification bell.